Number 10. The noun form of the word argue. A. Argue. B. Argumentative. C. Arguable. D. Argument. Answer is argument. The noun form of the word argue is argument. Number 11. Which of the following is the verb form of the word thought? A. Thoughtfully. B. Thinker. C. Think. D. Thoughtful. Answer is letter C. Think. The verb form of the word thought is think. Number 12. Which of the following is the adverb form of the word easy? A. Easily. B. Easier. C. Is. D. Easy. Answer is letter A. The adverb form of the word easy is easily.